कॉलेज में चैट जीपीटी से असाइनमेंट्स करने में बहुत मजा आता था, बट जैसे ही जॉब मार्केट में घुसे तो पता चला भाई, this AI is not helping us. This AI is literally working against us and making us more and more dispensable and replaceable in our organizations every single day. Specifically as marketers. मैं सुबह आँख खोलती हूँ तो एक नया AI टूल पैदा हो जाता है जो कि मेरी जॉब खा सकता है. That is what is happening right now. Everything literally design, copywriting, content, social media, personal branding can be automated with the number of AI tools that are there in the market. Some are perfect, some are not, some are just developing. But the main question for us as marketers is how do we become indispensable, irreplaceable, and come out of the chaos while making money and not losing our jobs, not losing our relevance in the marketing world. एंड बहुत सोचने के बाद, बहुत रिसर्च करने के बाद, एंड बहुत सारी कंपनीज में अलग अलग कैपेसिटी एज कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, फ्रीलांसर और फुल टाइम काम करने के बाद, आई हैव रियलाइज दैट द ओनली पीपल हु विल सर्वाइव इन द मार्केटिंग वर्ल्ड are full stack marketers. What is a full stack marketer? A full stack marketer is someone who can do basically different aspects, different components of marketing easily and does not have a specialization in all of them, but has a specialization in maybe one or two of them. And that has become my goal for 2025, to become a full stack marketer. To know basically all the skills that are necessary for me to become irreplaceable, a marketing generalist, and just surviving the marketing world, even if AI takes over. The first thing we need to understand is AI is not killing marketing. AI is killing marketers with only one skill. Matlab, if you're a copywriter in a company and the company decides to buy a full stack copywriting software जो उनको copy और blogs में help कर देगा, then bro, maybe your job is in danger. If you are an email marketing specialist and आपको सिर्फ email campaigns design करना आता है and the company decides कि email campaigns are enough design, copy हम चैट जीपीटी या किसी और एआई टूल से लिखवा लेंगे एंड वी डोंट नीड अ पर्सन, फुल फ्लेज पर्सन फॉर इट, well, your job is in danger. If you're someone who just works on retargeting and can work on platforms like MoEngage and CleverTap and इसके अलावा आपको कुछ नहीं आता है, well, again, your job is in danger. So AI isn't killing marketers as a whole, or AI isn't killing the marketing world. It is actually elevating it, but with a twist. People with just one skill or a couple of skills may or may not survive this rise. And interestingly, to become a full stack marketer is not that difficult, specifically for Gen Zs. Gen Zs are actually the most equipped generation to become a full stack marketer. And you ask me why? Why it's so easy for Gen Zs to become full stack marketers? Because, bro, we consume content and lots of it, and on a lot of platforms. And actually, we are the key target audience the companies are also targeting at. For example, if I am a D2C brand, I know that my main target audience is Gen Zs. So they have to understand कि Gen Zs कैसे सोचते हैं, Gen Zs को कौन सी रील्स पसंद आएंगी, Gen Zs कौन से ब्रांड्स पे क्लिक करेंगे, Gen Zs कौन से एड्स पसंद करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे. The most important, the most basic sense about all this is inculcated in us Gen Zs क्योंकि we are the key target audience who are creating this content, consuming this content, and also understand what's working for us as products and what is not working for us as these products. So Gen Zs are technically a lot more qualified. Plus, हमें video editing, content creation, writing on Twitter, Reddit, etc. doesn't seem like work for us. It comes really naturally, unlike the older generations. Let's uncover what's the goal behind these companies to actually hire full stack marketers. What do these full stack marketers actually do? And क्या ये companies ये 50 काम जो marketing के है वो सिर्फ एक बंदे से कराना चाहते हैं? Probably not. The idea behind hiring a full stack marketer is to unlock things, is to unlock goals that maybe a marketing specialist cannot unlock. If I enter a company as a full stack marketer or a growth marketer, the thing is, I understand 10 aspects of marketing, from running ads, what's going wrong in PPC campaigns, to understanding what's not working on social media or what's not working in a marketing funnel. The idea is these full stack marketers bring in an insight that connects all these maybe sub parts of marketing together, and इसको हम एक funnel में, एक structure में लगा सकते हैं. So they are being hired for their structure, they are being hired for their understanding of a 360-degree marketing, and that's the goal, to unlock what the specialist cannot unlock. The best part about hiring a full stack marketer or a growth marketer by a company is that they know how different parts of marketing work. and how they need to be interconnected in a way that gives a company ROI. That's the whole point. Nobody in this era of AI is asking you what you can do. They are asking you what you can produce in 1 hour with the help of AI. The goal of a full stack marketer is to connect storytelling with analytics. If you don't know storytelling, everything becomes 10x harder. But if you don't know analytics, everything becomes 10x dumber. And most of these specialists, while they're paid much more sometimes than a full stack marketer, know just one aspect of marketing, which is either storytelling or analytics. The real growth is unlocked when this storytelling and this analytics part comes together and unlocks what maybe they can't unlock individually. A company that only focuses on analytics is probably gonna suck on storytelling, they're gonna suck on social media, they're gonna be stuck on Shopify or maybe their mixed panels or maybe their Google Analytics and not understand the customer at all. But a company who only understands storytelling will be stuck on top level numbers. सेल्स तो हो रही हैं पर कहाँ से सेल्स हो रही नहीं पता, कंटेंट डालेंगे सेल हो जाएगी देखी जाएगी, हम अच्छा कंटेंट तो डाल रहे हैं 2 मिलियन व्यूज तो आ रहे हैं पर कन्वर्जन क्यों नहीं हो रहे हैं, समथिंग ऑन दोज लाइन्स. The best part about getting hired as a growth marketer, a full stack marketer, or a marketing generalist early in your career is that you start acting like a mini CMO with a very key aspect of implementing the strategies that you think of. A CMO most specifically works on only strategizing. The growth marketer not only strategizes but also experiments, learns from the experiments fast, and makes the team also learn about the learnings and the insights you got from the experiments from a marketing perspective or from a marketing or sales perspective. Depends on the experiment really. As a growth marketer, you experiment a lot, you learn a lot, you experiment fast, and आप सिर्फ strategy part पे अटके नहीं रहते हो. Just like CMOs, you're not just strategizing. You're working because at the end you're at an entry level or a newbie position. So the idea of implementing is also up to you. The CMOs do the strategy for most cases, and the implementation is not up to them. So the implementation may or may not be according to them. But here, most of the implementation is in your hands. The implementation of your experiments. Plus, इतना सारा काम करोगे तो you learn to multitask and you learn to learn fast. Because learning fast is also important. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टुडे आज मुझे एक नोशन पे लैंडिंग पेज बनाना था. मैंने अपनी लाइफ में नोशन पे लैंडिंग पेज कभी नहीं बनाया, बट मैंने और प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे लैंडिंग पेजेस बनाया. सो मैंने एक यूट्यूब वीडियो देखी और मैंने नोशन पे लैंडिंग पेज बना दिया. दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ अ फुल स्टैक मार्केटर कि भाई हमें आते हैं 10 काम बेस लाइन. अगर मुझे फॉर एग्जाम्पल रीटारगेटिंग के लिए मो एंगेज चलाना आता है, तो अगर आज मुझे बोला जाएगा कि मो एंगेज का ऑल्टरनेट सॉफ्टवेयर चलाना है विच इज़ क्लेवर टैप, तो मैं क्लेवर टैप भी चला ही लूँगी क्योंकि आई नो द बेस लाइन ऑफ थिंग्स. So, if you want to evolve into a full stack marketer, my suggestion is to learn a bunch of tools and to create a toolkit कि ये सारी हमारी toolkit है जो हमें आती है, and write it in your CV also and pitch it to brands, pitch it to companies, pitch it to whatever jobs you're applying to, because full stack marketers are going to be irreplaceable even in the era of AI, because one person who can do multiple jobs need not be fired. He can be shifted or she can be shifted from one department to another without an issue. And even if, for example, if I'm working in a company as a full stack marketer and मेरा रोल है सोशल मीडिया देखना, कल को कंपनी डिसाइड करती है कि हम सोशल मीडिया पे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाने वाले, हम सारे डिज़ाइंस को ऑटोमेट कर देंगे वाया दिस, और हम कॉपी को ऐसे ऑटोमेट कर देंगे और सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट हम ऑटोमेट कर देंगे वाया बफर, तो मेरा रोल ख़त्म हो जाएगा. बट एज अ मार्केटिंग जर्नलिस्ट आई कैन डू 20 अदर थिंग्स. तो वो मेरा रोल ख़त्म करने की जगह मुझे किसी और रोल में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देंगे, विच गिव्स मी मोर जॉब सिक्योरिटी, which is a necessity in this market, in this economy right now. And on the downside, if a full stack marketer who knows like 10 other skills ends up getting fired when he wants or she wants to apply for jobs in other companies, तो वो स्पेशलिस्ट जॉब्स भी अप्लाई कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ही और शी कैन अप्लाई एज अ सोशल मीडिया स्पेशलिस्ट, ईमेल मार्केटिंग स्पेशलिस्ट, क्योंकि आपको 10 काम तो आते ही है ना, बस अब आपको 15-20 दिन स्पेंड करने हैं और एक चीज़ पे स्पेशलिस्ट बन जाना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मुझे रीटारगेटिंग बेसिक आती है और मुझे सडनली एक रीटारगेटिंग मैनेजर का जॉब मिल रहा है या मिल सकता है, तो मैं उनको बोल सकती हूँ गाइस मुझे रीटारगेटिंग 5 out of 10 आती है. आई हैव डन रीटारगेटिंग फॉर XYZ कंपनीज, गिव मी 15 days, आई विल लर्न इट 9 out of 10. and maybe then I can join your company. It gives you an upper edge to pitch yourself not as a specialist, but as a person who's a fast learner, who can evolve, who can adapt, and who's perfect for the era of AI. मान लो फ्यूचर में अगर सारा एग्जीक्यूशन एआई करने वाला है तो ह्यूमंस क्या करने वाले हैं? मोस्टली थिंकिंग. That's what you need to be skilled at. Thinking new strategies, thinking new ideas, being able to think maybe what AI can't think. And that's only possible. That's only possible with your experience, with working in the market, understanding more, reading more, researching more, and becoming more skilled for the era of AI. I didn't mean to mention this, but a few days ago, what happened was one of my friends was talking to me and they told me कि भाई हमारी कंपनी में तो एचआर कह रही थी कि आईएम के बच्चे 10-10 लाख रुपए में मिल जाते हैं. So yeah, I'll tell you, that's the value of how human resources will be hired, human resources would be looked at. क्योंकि भाई इतना सारा काम ऑटोमेट हो जा रहा है, इतना सारा काम एआई से हो जा रहा है. एंड इफ़ यू आर करंटली वर्किंग एंड यू आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, प्लीज़ टेल मी इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन कि आपकी कंपनी में क्या क्या काम ऑटोमेट हो रहा है. What work is being done by AI? Is there any manpower reduction due to AI? Because we need to be prepared for this wave of AI क्योंकि ये हमें impact करने वाला है, specifically in the marketing world. एंड भाई अगर तुम बहुत क्लरिकल और बहुत ही ऐसा काम कर रहे थे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एंट्री लेवल काम, लाइक एंटरिंग डेटा ऑन एक्सेल, एंटरिंग मे बी इन्फ्लुएंसर डेटा, मैनेजिंग सम स्प्रेडशीट्स एंड ऑल, भाई टाइम टू अपस्किल बिकॉज इतना सारा काम ऑटोमेट हो जाएगा तो फिर आप क्या करोगे. तो आई रिमेंबर आज से 4 साल पहले मेटा एड्स, गूगल एड्स, ट्विटर एड्स चलाना अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा काम होता था. बट रिसेंटली इफ यू हैव हर्ड, मेटा ने अनाउंस किया है कि देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ डिटेल टारगेटिंग ऑन मेटा एनी मोर. सो देयर इज नो डिटेल टारगेटिंग. पहले आप एज, ऑक्यूपेशन, व्हाट पीपल आर सर्चिंग एटसेट्रा यूज़ करके, जो फेसबुक के पास डेटा था उससे डिफरेंट ऑडियंस क्लस्टर्स बनाते थे और उस पर एड्स चलाते थे, विच इज़ नाउ नॉट अवेलेबल ऑन मेटा एनी मोर बिकॉज दे आर यूजिंग AI टू टारगेट द राइट पीपल ऑन देयर ओन. सो द पीपल रनिंग द एड्स डोंट हैव टू टेक दैट काइंड ऑफ एफर्ट. एंड मेटा एड्स चलाना अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है. 10,000 एजेंसीज आपको मिल जाएंगी इंडिया में, छोटी बड़ी, हु आर डूइंग दिस टास्क, जो कि आप मेटा AI कर सकता है विदाउट एनी हेल्प फ्रॉम एन एजेंसी और विदाउट एनी हेल्प फ्रॉम an external person. You just need one person running 7-8 ad accounts and you maybe need a couple of people to create the creatives. एक creative team चाहिए आपको, एक बंदा चाहिए एड चलाने के लिए, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ी टीम हुआ करती थी क्योंकि हर एक ऐड को टारगेट करने में पूरा पूरा दिन जाता था लोगों का कि सही टारगेटिंग डिज़ाइन करेंगे, सही लोगों को टारगेट करेंगे, जो कि अब AI से हो रहा है. सो दैट्स हाउ साइलेंटली AI might take your jobs if you're a specialist. Performance marketing specialists are the most in danger. That's what I'm guessing. That's what I think. Because क्या है अब उनका काम? Ads चलाना on a software जो कि खुद डिसाइड कर रहा है कि किसको ad दिखानी है. So you don't need to use your brain there. So what will you do as a professional is a very big question that arises in my mind every day. So well, what does a full stack marketer need to know? That's a very important question and don't skip this one. A full stack marketer firstly needs to know basics of design, which means Canva आना चाहिए, Figma आना चाहिए. A full stack marketer also needs to learn retargeting, which means you need to learn a software like MailerLite, which is an email marketing software. You must know software like MoEngage, CleverTap or WebEngage, at least one of these. You also need to know how to write content, how to do SEO on page and off page. You need to have really good communication skills. You need to know a bit of storytelling. You need to understand analytics via Google Search Console, Google Analytics Mixpanel. And the most important and the one part you can't ignore is you need to understand how to connect all these platforms to give measurable results to the companies and to show basically what you're worth. Because a full stack marketer का काम है to show what he can bring or she can bring to the table in terms of impact, not just in terms of skills. तो अगर आप कॉलेज में हो, अभी जॉब मार्केट घुसने वाले हो, घुस चुके हो अभी recently, really guys, it's time to upskill yourself in a way that AI can't replace you ever. That's how you gotta do it. So that was all for today's video. Till then, make your own money, marry someone funny. Okay, bye.